With the onset of the rainy season, the health department warns the public of diseases that it might bring. Pia Bonalos has more.
After the hot summer days, rain showers provide a much welcome relief. But nature's way of bringing down warm temperatures can also cause illnesses the public wants to avoid. With school starting on Monday, mothers can't help but be concerned with the effects of intermittent rains and flooding to their children.
Spirosis, nakakatakot yun, di ba? Kaya dapat mga bata may protection sa paa pag ganitong tag-ulan. Kaya dapat yun ang tutukan din natin.
Yung sipunin.
Dengue po. Siyempre po, nakakamatay po.
These mothers have their own tried and tested ways to protect their children from illnesses associated with the rainy season.
Hindi ko siya pinapalabas pag ganitong tag-ulan masyado. Kailangan may bota at saka may kapote siya para hindi siya magkasakit. Saka laging huhugasan ng paa, tapos kailangan laging may vitamins.
Sa bahay lang. Hindi pinapalabas. Kailangan may payong pag tag-ulan.
Mga repellent, yung pang-ano sa mosquito.
The Department of Health says during the monsoon season, the public should be careful of cough and colds, food and waterborne diseases, skin allergies, leptospirosis, and dengue fever. Cough and colds can be avoided by keeping dry despite the wet weather. The DOH says using umbrellas and raincoats can also help avoid the common cold. Meanwhile, water pipes should be checked against leaks to avoid getting waterborne diseases. If you doubt the cleanliness of water you are about to drink, you can boil it before consumption. Food should be consumed 2 hours after preparation. This keeps it fresh and free from bacteria. Skin allergies can be avoided if the skin, especially the feet, are kept dry. If getting soaked in the rain cannot be avoided, immediately dry yourself with a towel and change your clothes. Flood waters should be avoided as much as possible, especially for people with open wounds as they might contract leptospirosis. Dengue fever can be defeated if one's surroundings is kept clean and free of mosquito breeding grounds.
Palakasin natin yung resistensya ng katawan natin, hindi lang sa pagkain, kung hindi pagtulog ng maaga, pag-iwas sa bisyo. And then kung meron tayong mga kamag-anak na may mga sakit, sabihan na natin na huwag makisalamuha sa ibang tao para hindi na tayo manghawa. Pag meron na siyang naramdaman ng kakaiba doon sa katawan niya, magpatingin na sila kagad. Huwag muna mag-self-medicate. Kasi kung minsan baka hindi naman natin alam kung ano yung pinagmula nun. Baka mamaya makasama pa yung pag-self-medicate. Yung konting pagtitipid, baka mas lalong lumaki yung gastos. But anyway, libre naman yung sa atin, yung sa mga health center natin, yung pagpapatingin at pagkonsulta.
With these guidelines in mind, the rainy season need not be a cause of gloom. Pia Bonalos, Solar News.